Well, yes, good morning. We have a brokerage note coming in from JPMorgan this morning on the entire quick commerce space, and they're focusing on the quick commerce players this morning, wherein for Swiggy, they've maintained an overweight rating with a target price of 730 rupees per share. And for Zomato also, they've maintained an overweight rating with a target price of 340 rupees per share. They believe that Zomato and Swiggy have both seen a sharp correction recently, and both Zomato and Swiggy are down 18% when it comes to their stock price on a year-to-date basis. They view the current share prices as an attractive entry point for both the stocks, and they're saying that they've also run a reverse SOTP for both Zomato and Swiggy to understand what the street is penciling in when it comes to their EV to GOV ratio. And what they have found out is that the street is highly pessimistic when it comes to this number, which means there is a lot of growth potential and an opportunity for the share price to go up when it comes to this metric for both Zomato and Swiggy. This is what JPMorgan has flagged off as well. They say that the channel checks continue to show that quick commerce players Blinkit, Zepto and Instamart are opening dark stores much ahead or much before their schedule. And within top 3 cities, each player continues to chase population density as well. This could mean faster and longer growth durability in addition to the pressure on near-term profits, as networks may have to carry a greater load of underutilized store in the near term. However, from this, they are also saying that Zomato's Blinkit's profit and loss statement is the only company that can absorb this kind of a meaningful dent in contribution margin and EBITDA margins. Though they see this recovering in the near term, this is just a short-term impact that they're flagging off on the back of aggressive store expansion that all 3 players are undertaking right now. So on the back of the dark stores numbers, Blinkit and Zepto have already crossed their FY25 targets in third quarter itself. Zepto is leading the pack right now with the most number of dark stores, followed by Blinkit. In December, the dark store additions were largely beyond the top 3, 5 or even beyond top 10 cities, and Zepto has been the number one to do that because they have expanded in more than 90 cities. So that's a dark store roundup also coming in from JPMorgan, and they also believe that all players, Zomato, Swiggy and Zepto, are adding more than 200 stores in this quarter. So that's the lowdown coming in from JPMorgan on all the quick commerce players today.
Right, okay, that's that on QCom.